Tianjin Kingnod Furniture Company Limited, established in 2008, is a professional supplier engaged in the research, development, sale and service of gaming chair and desk, office chair, dining room set, plastic chair and bar stool. Located in Tianjin with convenient transportation access, we are dedicated to strict quality control and thoughtful customer service. Our experienced staff members are always available to discuss your requirements and ensure full customer satisfaction. Also, we attend Canton Fair and Shanghai Furniture Fair every year. Our products are exported to customers from Europe, South and North America, Southeast Asia, and Oceania. We also welcome OEM and ODM orders. Whether selecting a current product from our catalog or seeking engineering assistance for your application, you can talk to our customer service center about your sourcing requirements. Satisfy both customers and staff is our mission, which leads us to be a healthy and high reputation company in our field. Strict quality control starts from the raw material purchase until container loading, and 5% of turnover is invested in quality control and new product design. Always be sincere to customers is KINGNOD's first and uttermost principle, among other values like integrity, appreciation, contribution, undertaking, self-guidance, and Kaizen. These have become part of our life and will always guide our staff. Welcome to cooperate with KINGNOD. Coming here, you are not only our customer, but also our lifelong partner, hand in hand, growing together.
Hi, welcome to KINGNOD Furniture. We have been exporting for almost 14 years. We can supply gaming chair and desk, office chair, plastic chair, bar stool, and dining room set. Looking forward to receiving your inquiry. Thank you.